Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us discuss about orifice meter. It is a device used for measuring the rate of flow of fluid through a pipe. It consists of a flat circular plate which has a circular sharp-edged hole called orifice which is connected with the pipe. Here, this is a pipe through which the liquid is flowing. Here this pipe inlet flow is this direction. Here this is the orifice diameter, that is the orifice plate holes diameter is called a orifice diameter, and this dia is called a vena contracta diameter. That means after flowing through the orifice that the contraction is created in the flow. This diameter is called vena contracta diameter, and here differential U-tip manometer is connected between two places in flow direction, and by measuring the differential height we can do we can find the flow through the pipe by using calculation. Now we'll discuss further. Let P1 pressure at section 1 here. This is a section 1 is here and section 2 is here. Pressure at section 1. That next here V1 is velocity at section 1. A1 equal area of pipe at section 1. The area, cross area of the pipe here. Now same here, P2, V2, A2 are in section 2. That means pressure at section 2, velocity at section 2, area at section 2. By applying Bernoulli's equation, Bernoulli's equation at 1 and 2, we have P1 by rho g plus V1 squared by 2g plus datum Z1. This side is P2 by rho g plus V2 squared by 2g plus Z2. Now further we can collect like P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2 equal H. Consider this a H. Through differential manometer we can get different. It's called a differential head. Here look at this. Here the differential head is here. This is the differential head. Now from here H, here it's a pipe is in level, is same level, horizontal level means Z1 equal to Z2. Therefore we can write H equal H equal V1 square it means we can write it, it's V2 square by 2g minus V1 squared by 2g, or we can write 2gh by cross multiplying we'll get V2 squared minus V1 squared. Therefore V2 equal square root of 2gh plus V1 square. Now in section 2, is at vena contracta, is at vena contracta, and A2 represent the area of the vena contracta, and its area is equal to A2. And orifice area A0, then coefficient of contraction, then coefficient of contraction, let it CC is equal A2 over A0. A2 over 0. Therefore, vena contracta area divided by orifice area. Now, CC got, from this, A2 equal A0 CC. By continuity equation, tells A1 V1 equal A2 V2, or which V1 is A2 by A1 into V2, which is equal A0 CC, because A2 is A0 CC by A1 V2. V1 is expressed like now substituting the values of V, the value of V1 in, let it be this 1, V1 in 1, we get V2 equals square root of 2gh plus V1 is A0 CC square, because V2 square we need, A0 square, V2 square, CC square, and V2 square over A1 square. Therefore, by squaring both sides, we have V2 square equal 2gh, square root removed, that is, we can get it this one, A0 by A1 whole square, then CC square V2 square, or further we can write V2 square equal 1 minus v2 square equal to 1 minus a v2 square equal 1 minus a0 by a1 the square cc square equal to gh. Therefore, from here v2 equal square root of 2gh, because we are square root of this one over square root of 1 minus a0 a1 square cc square. Now discharge, the discharge Q equal, we know the discharge Q equal V2A2 which is equal V2 A2 is A0 CC, because already V2 A2 is A0 CC, coefficient of contraction. Now, which is further equal A0 CC to GH over square root of 1 minus A0 A1 square CC square. The above expression is simplified by using, then here this is the discharge Q. Now here CD, coefficient of discharge, if coefficient of discharge equal CD, therefore you can write CC, coefficient of contraction you can write CC equal, in terms of CD, is CD into 1 minus A0 A1 square with CC square over 1 minus A0 A1 square. This is the expression for CC by using CD. Now substituting the CC, substituting this value CC in Q, suppose this is put 3 in 3, will get therefore Q we can write A0 CD into square root of 1 minus A0 A1 square CC square over 1 minus A0 A1 square into 2gh, square root of 2gh over 1 minus a0 a1 square cc square. So this will this term will complete cut. Therefore we can write q equal cd a0 square root of 2gh over square root of 1 minus a0 a1 squared. Further simplification will get, that means take a1 square, take LCM a1 square minus a0 square, like that it comes cd a0 a1 2gh over the square root of a1 square minus a0 square. This is a final expression. Therefore we can write q equal cd a0 a1 2gh over square root of a1 squared a0 squared. This is a discharge through orifice. Through orifice meter we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.